Muhammad Ali Mirza was born on October 4, 1977 in Jhelum, a city in Punjab, Pakistan. He obtained his education as an engineer from University of Engineering and Technology, Taxila. He worked as a mechanical engineer for the government of Punjab on the 19th pay scale, but later quit due to rampant corruption in the department. Ali gives online lectures where he talks about different religious issues and runs a research academy where he imparts religious education based on his understanding of the Quran and sunnat. His critics claim that he uses derogatory terms for Islamic saints, and they present out-of-context clips from his lectures as evidence. Ali allegedly opined that present-day Ahmadis are better than Jews and Christians, the people of the book. He, however, still declared them as non-Muslims and said that his video clips have been presented out of context. He was arrested on May 4, 2020 in suspicion of spreading hate speech towards religious scholars. Pakistani actor Hamza Ali Abbasi and anchor Shafat Ali posted on social media condemning his arrest. He was later released on 6 May 2020. According to Ali, one of his lectures was presented completely out of context. He later said that if one starts presenting other opinions in such a way, then even the verses of the Quran can be presented out of context.